What's up? J Muse, Young Benjamin. It's a song called off our album called Matter of Time. Hope you guys like it. It's just a matter of time. Yeah, I wanna reach a level that no one can top. When I make it to that point, I still won't stop. Cause it's not about the money, it's about the rhyme. And if I keep this attitude, it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time before my rhymes flow. It's a matter of time before my songs play. It's a matter of time before the crowd starts singing and waving their hands in the air. It's a matter of time before my rhymes flow. It's a matter of time before my songs play. It's a matter of time before the crowd starts singing and waving their hands in the air. It's a matter of time, it doesn't matter the time. As long as I get recognized, it doesn't matter the rhyme. And I don't care about the fame, it's all about the feeling. And if I'm feeling low, I'll write a rhyme and hit the ceiling. But ask me why, I don't know, but I just can't deny that when I write my rhymes, it feels like I'm about to fly. So I'ma spread my wings, harness my energy, write so many raps it might seem like there's 10 of me. Not true, I'm only singular, one human being. Talk of the town, I'll be the new face that you'll be seeing. I may exaggerate, but never will I brag or hate or lose myself, forever turn into somebody that I ain't. Without a doubt, within this game you need a level head. Stay true to who you are and don't regret the words you said. You gotta give it all, you gotta feel the rhyme, feel it in my heart. It's a matter of time, it's a matter of time before my rhymes flow. It's a matter of time before my songs play. It's a matter of time before the crowd starts singing and waving their hands in the air. It's a matter of time before my rhymes flow. It's a matter of time before my songs play. It's a matter of time before the crowd starts singing and waving their hands in the air. Time is a matter of fact. I can't complain about the matter, so I had to sit back and just think about the shit I can't quite forget. And I will spit about the shit that I said I would never get. So top that, my rhymes will blow your top back. My fluid words will get your mind cracked, spine snap. One day, sitting in the studio, records on the wall. Got a statue by myself, no, I gotta stand tall. Got a hard bite, followed with crunch lines. Eating other rappers, I'm full like it was lunchtime. I'm at the bottom, but I wanna reach top. The ground shakes with the nines of death, I just rock. The pressure's on, the focus has my flow gone. 100% is what they all want. You never hear us stalling, trip but never falling. It's a matter